Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tiana Michelle here. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a bar update, and this is going to be the update to my wine and coffee bar.
Say you love me, say you don't, just give me something.
First, I'm going to start by removing everything from the coffee bar. I'm going to start off with the coffee bar and then move up to the wine bar. So right now I'm just removing everything from the coffee bar, and I'm going to place it back in the way that I want it to look.
We'll be okay, 'cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out, 'cause I won't stay awake till morning. I won't stay.
So most of these items are things I already had. If it's not something that I already had, I either purchased it from Amazon or Target. So I will try to list everything down in the description box.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 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 I've been patient with your love. Sometimes you don't show it enough. And I wish you could.
So now moving up to the wine bar area, I'm just going to remove everything like I did for the coffee bar, and I'm going to place everything back.
'Cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out. 'Cause I won't stay awake till morning. I won't stay another night. If you're feeling something for me, say it now.
Most of the items that I have on my wine bar are from Amazon, with the exception of the small glasses which came from Dollar Tree, but I will link everything down in the description box below.
'Cause I can't wait for you forever. 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 Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic.
Alright, so I want to give a small little detailed tour of the bar. So right here I have my Keurig I got from Target. It was $49.99. I don't remember the regular price. This Keurig drawer that I've had for a very long time, and it has my K-cups in it. This came from Walmart. And I have like my condiment station here. I have some sugar. I have some syrup, some French vanilla flavor. I need to refill my creamer, but I have my creamer there. I also added this cutting board. I got this from Ross. It was $6.99. Then I have my water here. I have this sign that I got from, I want to say Ross as well. And then here I have my cups. The cups came from, I'm sorry, this sign came from Burlington. So I bought the sign and the cups at the same time. The cups came from Burlington. The little gold spoons came from Amazon. Anything that came from Amazon, I'll try to link down below. I also have my portable cups. These also came from Amazon. The, what is this thing called? The name right now, but this also came from Amazon. And then the lids for the cups are here, but I think I'm gonna try to move them here because it makes more sense, right? Yes. All right, so up here I have this mixer, which came from, I actually don't know, I had it previously. The canister already had these little cups. They're plastic, but they do have a glass version. I'll put both links down below in the description box. And then these glass cups came from Amazon. I showed you these. They're from a brand called Lux. These cups came from Dollar Tree, $1.25 Tree. The wine glasses I already had, and they also came from Dollar Tree. These glasses came from Amazon as well. They're a little thin, so you got to be careful, and the stem is very skinny, so you have to be very, very careful with these. The shot glasses, I believe these were a gift, so I'm not quite sure where they came from. And then I just have some liquor bottles here. I actually do not drink that much, so all these bottles are here for decoration, simply decoration, and they're all empty. I don't drink like that. I just like the decor of it all. And then the M that needs to be clean, I already had it. And then up here is our memorial bar.
Illuminating, I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite
it. That is the overview of the bar. So I'll try to drop the description. I'll try to drop the links of everything that I got from Amazon and Target in the description box below. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.